does question 7 says? Question 7 is removal of gonads cannot be considered as a contraceptive option. Why? So students, our gonads are in male testes and in female ovaries. Both these organs produce a set of hormones which are related to your sex life. When these particular organs are removed or gonads are removed, those sex hormones would be deprived. So that will affect the sex life of a person. And thus, because of this thing, that is not considered as a contraceptive method. So what you're supposed to write here is this. Removal of gonads cannot be considered as contraceptive method because it will interfere with normal sexual act and prevent the sexual desire and the sexual act of a man. Men here is for both male as well as female. Okay? I repeat, removal of gonad cannot be considered as a contraceptive method because it will interfere with normal sex act and prevent the sexual desire and the sexual act of men. Okay students, by this we come to an end of question number 7.